I say, Bubbles, wait till him come here and I go pop him right.
Wow. Okay.
Miss Bubbles, man. I'm so rich.
Hurry up, Tony, and hurry up, please.
I'm coming, but so rich.
While we wait for her to reach, have you all seen this thing? It's called Find Me Jamaica. It's on IG.
Yes, sir. Familiar with it?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Positive, sir.
Have you seen how many people, especially girls, young girls, missing on this thing?
Yes, sir.
You sure? Because I can't be the only one taking notice of this. The latest one, this one. This is going on in our country, and apart from a few platitudes and a day of mourning, we're not doing anything about it. And then all of a sudden it occurred to me, I have an elite team of sleepers. We can do something about it. Not vigilante work, which is why you don't see Savage here. But as far as I'm concerned, we can deal with this our way. Look at this recent one. Missing since Wednesday. Left home for school and never came back.
Sir, I don't mean to break you, but even though I'm not a big fan of Savage, don't you think some of his methods are effective?
So it is true what they say. There is no greater zealot than a convert.
I wouldn't put it that far, sir.
Really? I thought you had gone missing as well.
Sir, my humblest apology for being late.
Really? What's that say? Roll with a shorty? So who is the shorty rolling with that keeps you late? I know. Let me take 3 guesses and the first 2 don't count. He's a chef. Am I getting warm?
Sir, I was the only person running the shop today. That's why I came home late.
So the chef didn't turn up for work. Trouble in paradise. You think it might have had anything to do with the dance class? Maybe you should choose another Uber. Let's get back to business. Why are you looking at me like that? Nothing, sir. Okay, let's check it. I have information that there is a predator lurking outside a particular school. And I get the feeling another abduction is being planned, at least in his head. Now here's what is going to happen. I need you to be the decoy. And you to be the chef. You're going to be the takeout specialist. Now listen to me carefully. I need him taken out. Not Savage taken out. But close is good enough. And you should take delight in this. Because isn't your little one about the age that goes to school, just put your mind that he could be coming for your daughter.